Today's lab, we're going to start out by measuring the transient response of an RC circuit. So we have a schematic right here. So this is a source that's a step function. So it's 0, and then the time equals 0. It steps up and stays there forever. Positive and negative terminals, resistor connected to a capacitor, then back to the negative. And if you look here, I have some different examples of things like resistors and capacitors. So this is a giant, probably 50 watt resistor. Dissipate a lot of heat. 10 watts, 5 watts, right, a 1 watt, a half a watt, and there's something even smaller. These are called surface mount resistors right here, and they're tiny. Let's see if I can get one out. The little spot on my finger, I don't know if it'll go in focus right there, is a resistor. It's called an 0603. That's what you find in a lot of things like mobile electronics. So on the other side, we have a few different capacitors, some leaded capacitors. So the capacitors are also available in these surface mounts. So these little boxes right here are capacitors. So, and then we have this gigantic capacitor right here. It's a 450 volt capacitor, 1200 microfarads. That's something you might find in like an audio power amplifier or a computer power supply, or some big scientific instrument.